Well, guys, got the bus packed up here, headed down to Putnam County for West Virginia rifle season. And the snow is coming down, so I'm gonna try to ease this rig off the hill and see if we can't get down there and meet up with Dalton and Connor and all them. And I think we're gonna head out tomorrow. So got some good deer on camera. This huge cold front pushing in. It's been warm the past few weeks, but I think it's gonna be good. So stick with us, and we'll see if we can get a couple big ones knocked down on the ground.
Study it for 30 minutes.
Which one are you going for, Logan?
I got last shot, like I do every year. No.
I think Griffin got first, Logan got second, Dalton got last, right?
Yep.
Oh,
That's the way it looks.
I thought it was a short strap. For some reason, I'm saying short is what you want.
I think Logan, Connor did the short, Dalton did the short one, didn't he?
Yeah.
It's no surprise for a guy like me. Alright guys, 70-day buck season here. We're down here in Putnam County. It's about 8:30. We've seen probably 8 or 10 does. 2 smaller bucks. We've got 3 or 4 shooters here in the area. But not super cold, but around 40 degrees. I think it's just going to continue to get colder throughout the week, but the deer are on their feet, so we got a buck out here in the field and another doe. Hoping a bigger one steps out and we can try to get a shot at him, so stick with us and see if we can get it done. Terrible. These boys ain't no more deer hunters than Whoopi Goldberg. Alright guys, we're back here in the box stand. Had a decent morning, saw two smaller 8 points and probably a dozen does. Jumped up a decent little 8 point walking in here. But definitely not a shooter. Really good genetics, that probably 2-year-old. But they're on their feet early. It's like 2 o'clock, so we're trying to get in here a little bit earlier, but just didn't work out. Had some things we had to take care of. But we're back, so hopefully few small bucks, but nothing worth shooting. Griffin's got first shot, Logan's got second, I'm last like always. It's no surprise for a guy like me, but hopefully we'll see the first decent buck of the whole week here this evening. Griffin can get a shot on it, maybe miss it, maybe hit it. And we got Connor and Dad across, I don't know, probably a mile that way. And they're both hunting for a buck too, so hopefully they can get one on the ground. But y'all just stick with us and we'll see how this evening goes.
Don't wait. Don't let that happen like we did before.
7:04. It's rolling. Alright guys, about 7:05. We're all just sitting in here and I look over and there's a nice buck walking through this field right here. And I tell everyone to get ready or whatever, and Griffin gets the camera on him. We can't tell how good the footage is, but I think it's pretty grainy. But he stopped down there for a split second and I fired one off. I believe the only reason he came out is because we fired the heater up down here. That's superstition, but it's like every time we fire the heater up, here they come. So we're going to wait around here for a minute and get out of the stand and go see what it is. We think it's a good one, but we'll figure out, I guess. Alright, well, it's been about an hour and a half since I shot mine, and we just now jumped out of the stand and we're going to run down here and see what it is, so y'all stick with us. Dude, that body's crazy. Dude. Oh, Lord. Alright guys, this is one that I shot. He's a pretty good one. He's got some nice G2s. I dropped him in his tracks, so got a big old neck on him. His glands are pretty dark. I figured he was out cruising looking for a doe, but I'm thankful for him. Thank you, Jesus. And we're gonna get him cut up here and gutted and take a few pictures, and then we'll be on our way.
Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in for another episode. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Click the little bell in the corner to see when we'll be posting next. We got some more quality content coming for you. Make sure to check us out on other platforms, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook at backwoods.bowhunting.